Wow, I'm surprised at how much I like this Zen Garden. I'm looking at it now, I've just been playing with it. I don't know if that's the right word, actually, playing with it, but it really does kind of calms you down. And it's for anybody that's maybe you're just overwhelmed, or you need a bit of relaxation, you're a bit stressed, you've got anxiety, or maybe you're just looking for a different kind of fidget thing. This is the Zen Garden. Check it out. Just look how nice this is. I mean, you just smooth it out using this stick here, the wooden stick, and then you've got these here. You've got this, you've got this one, that, and this one. And you also got a brush with it too. So you can just spend hours or minutes just playing around with it. It's just so beautiful. How nice is that? Look. And you can use this as slow or as fast as you want. I mean, it's just ideal. I love it. You do get lost in it, you get lost in time, so keep an eye on your clock or put an alarm, set an alarm, because you really do get lost in this. And I do believe they have other types of Zen gardens too, different kinds, so you might want to start collecting them. I might actually, because this is great.